did not say your daughter was so beautiful.
Well, she takes after her.
Her mother.
The story of Cinderella, it is timeless. So to play the wicked stepmother was really, really exciting.
Lady Tremaine and her daughters.
It's impossible with someone like Cate Blanchett, who has such talent, for her not to bring a layer of depth. She worked out the kind of life and the kind of love that she might have had for her first husband and what she brought to the second marriage and the expectation of her life with Ella's father.
Now, wasn't blood.
Yes, stepmother.
Oh, you needn't call me that. Madam will do.
Her entrance into this film does evoke images of great movie stars of the past, Marlene Dietrich, Bette Davis, Joan Crawford, Lauren Bacall.
I was interested in exploring what makes someone wicked. I mean, no one is purely evil. Everyone's got a motivation.
Cinderella! That's what we'll call you.
Oh, girls, you're too clever.
She's not young and not as beautiful and not as kind and not as good as Cinderella. And in a way, Cinderella becomes her nemesis.
Now, mark my words. You shall not go to the ball.
Oh, I love it. I mean, as a friend of mine said, if at a dinner party, I'd rather be sitting next to Lady Tremaine than Cinderella. But yes, it's fantastic. It really was so much fun to be had.
Are you looking for this?
There must be quite a story to go with it.